What's up, guys? It's Tony, and today I'm going to be making some more slime because I like doing slime, and a lot of you guys like to watch me make it. So let's get started. So today I'm probably going to be making some glossy. I want to make glossy slime. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't technically make glossy slime a lot. I just thought of that right now because I've been seeing it on the internet. And a lot of people have been making glossy slime. And I guess it's like a new trend again. Well, not a new trend because it's already been out, but like people are making it again. Don't have baby oil currently in my room right now. I'm probably gonna have to go get it or ask my dad to get it for me. But let's do this thing. Okay. So I'm not going to do too much glue. I'm going to just do a little bit. Sorry if I'm talking a little bit of an accent. It's just because I felt like it today. Okay. Since I added that, I'm going to add a little bit of lotion. There's that. And I'll mix that in. It already technically looks glossy, basically, because lotion does that. And now I'm going to add a little bit of the silky shaving cream, because, like, I just want to try it out. I'm only going to do a little bit. I only did a little bit of a squirt. I feel like I should add maybe a little bit more lotion. I've seen some people that put baby oil in it, because one time I made it, I put baby oil and it looked very nice. And I put too much lotion on it. But yeah, I'm going to ask my dad to bring me some, what's it called, baby oil. Dad, can you bring me some baby oil, please? Okay, so while he brings that, I'm going to decide on a color. So I'm probably gonna make this either purple or green. No, I might just leave it white. No, I'm just gonna make it white. I'm gonna leave it white. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was my dad, everybody. Okay, so here's some baby oil. We don't use baby oil very often, that's why we have it, because we used to use it a lot. And now we just don't, so. Ooh, that smells good. Ah, the slime looks pretty now. I think I'll just leave it white, guys, because I don't have very many white slimes. Okay, we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to add it with borax this time. I'm going to do a little bit of borax and maybe a little bit of Tide Organic. So let's get to this. This is my borax and a little bit of a glue container right now, because that's just what I put it in. Because I wanted to, because I just think it was cool. So borax, if you don't know how to make that, it's just, you can fill this up with as much water as you want. Or if you want to do it the measurement way, you could do 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. That's the way I used to do it, but now I don't do measurements anymore because I just kind of stopped. And then again, I do kind of know the measurements already, like by my head, just by memory and everything. So it's activating pretty well. It is kind of melting and then activating, but that's all good because that's just how glossy slime is for me. And I don't make glossy slime pretty often anymore, guys. So tomorrow is New Year's Eve, guys. It's the new year. 2018, how? So I started my season off as 2017 and it's gonna end in 2018. That's crazy. Life's crazy, man. Those videos, those are funny videos. But yeah, okay guys, so I should have said this in the beginning of the video, but I'm recording on my new iPhone X. Yeah, guys, I just got the new iPhone X yesterday, and I love it. It was supposed to be a Christmas present, and I get that on me, but it didn't come in time. Well, it wasn't gonna come in time. They said it wasn't gonna be ready for another week, because I guess sold out during that time. I don't know what happened. But I finally got it and I love it. Because my other phone, my iPhone 7, was kind of having problems with messages and stuff. So I just didn't want it no more. But the slime is activating pretty well. Very well. It's like an octopus right now. So I'm going to pour it on my table or desk, whatever you want to call this. And I'm just going to start kneading it. I like to knead on my desk because it just works well for me. Not well, better for me. So it feels already pretty glossy. So it's kind of slimy right now because there's a lot of borax in it. And I don't make slime with baby oil very often, everybody. So it feels pretty jiggly. That's for sure. It is still kind of sticky, but like it's not really sticking to me that much. But I know if like I touch it in the morning, it's gonna be like water. But yeah, guys, how's your Christmas break going? I know it's already probably gonna end on Monday, or you get one more week off. Comment down below. I'm homeschooled, so I get back to school, or I start school again January. I know a piece of slime flew, but I don't know where. It's not in my hair though, right? Nope. Sorry if my hair's kind of curly, guys. It's because I have like a little bit of a wave in my hair. Not that good of a wave, but it's because I usually straighten my hair. And I got a shower and I blow dried it. So I knew a chunk of slime flew and I don't know where it is. I get scared because I don't want it in my hair. No, I don't think it's in my hair. It's all fly that way. Who cares? Okay. Well, I'm still kind of needing this, but it's going well. Yeah. But since I'm homeschooled, what's it called? I switched schools to Inspire. And yes, if you are from my Instagram account or whatever, my Sure Champion Tony account, my Musical.ly was hacked. And I just got it back today. I absolutely was very mad when that happened. But hey, you know what? It happens. Okay, so it's kind of watery. I'm going to add a little bit more borax, so I'm going to put it in the bowl. I'm telling you guys, I don't make very glossy slime very much. I think this is how you make it. It's pretty glossy, but sticky. So it's like an octopus again. I'm not going to add anything to this one, guys. Maybe later on in the future when I'm done with the white and it gets dirty or something. But right now, this is the only reason why I want to make glossy slime. Because I've been seeing a lot of people make it. And like I saw like one person make it white. And it looked so pretty. And I just thought to myself, I was like, I haven't made a white slime. Okay, so here's the slime. We're going to do a little bit of some ASMR. Okay. I don't want to drop the camera. So crackles aren't that well, but like it's still a pretty good slime. Very jiggly. And yeah. So I like it. I think it's pretty cool. It is kind of weird, but I still like it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing New Year's Eve. And yeah, I love you all so much. And I hope you all have an amazing day. And I love you all. And hope again you all have an amazing 2018. Love y'all. Bye.